Yo, you're telling me every time I walk to the whip, this is what I'm... Yo, yo, I get it. People always asking me why I'm not outside no more. It's because of this. It's because of this. Like, I can't be outside because I can't drive if I go outside. Yo, people, is this how man I'm feeling every time I... Yo, damn. Yo, man done the wheels up, yeah? Calipers are blue now. Oh, I've not even talked you through it. Now I'm gonna have to stop. I'm gonna have to stop. I've done some exterior modifications. I need to let you know about... Oh.
Got my new bitches and the upstart. I'm tryna make feeling like a gangster. I'm tryna find holders on Tinder. And they call Ace, key a first star.
Boom! You already know, people. That's free, AB. I'm on to Aqua. You don't get to know. Sircolgate. You know what I mean, yo?
Yo, AB had to give man the intro quickly, yo.
You know what I'm saying, people? Yo, check. My guy Frank came through. Obviously, cars at flipping APS Liverpool. Obviously, man just literally dropping me down there to go and pick it up. So, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, we're going to show you, man, what the car's looking like. Because obviously, I ain't going to upload this on my channel. So, you people might as well see it on his channel, innit? Yeah. But yeah, man.
And then we're going to take the Mexico route back to Manchester.
You know what I'm saying, bro? Oh, my days. Oh, my days. Gassed. Gassed. Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him. You put window down. Yeah, you put window down. What you say, yeah? Nice. yeah.
I say AB's back, you know. Mad. Mad. Yo, AB, you saying?
You know what the S3 back.
Yo, SB's back. Yo.
She's looking naughty, bro. Oh
Yo.
my days. My grin hurts from smiling.
Yo, this guy's been smiling for the last, like 30 minutes. The guy's been smiling, but yo, AB, you saying, yo, make a move.
Let's make a move, man. Let's make a move.
Yo, man, I had to just flew Liverpool quick with AB so I can get his whip. Yo, this guy has not stopped smiling. Flip. Yo. I've never seen a man so happy. The guy, yo, we're meant to be going, people. He's still just in his car in awe. Look at this guy, bruv. Look at this guy, fam. Yo.
Bro, straight to sports, bro. Straight to sports.
Yo, they told him, G, bed in your brakes, because he's got, obviously, he just upgraded his disc and pads. And they told him, bed it in. Man said, straight into sports. Yeah. Fuck off! I need my thing like that. Oh. Yo, listen. One flag is landing there with RIP to all his fallen brothers. Out of all the places flies can be, they choose to just sit on the motorway. That's their own. Oh, look at the mirror. Death by association. It's sad. Yo, listen, people. Today, I thought, man's got the GoPro. Let me test out the head mount, because it's got a head mount, you understand? One of the hardest things about setting up this GoPro is making sure that you're not just looking at the roof. Man wasn't trying to just be looking at the roof, but yeah, fucking sorted that. I've sorted that out now. So we've got motion now. We've got big motion now. Yeah, so you already know, man, we're back, we're locked in. I'm running some errands. So yeah, I thought if there's any other time to test this thing out, It's now. It's now. Alright, so hear what I'm saying right now, yeah? I'm not too sure if you know the POV thing, I like it, I think I like it, but not too sure if I'm a big fan of POVs, you know. Like, yeah, like man's man's adjusted this camera like 3 times. Like, it's not easy, you know. But bear in mind, I had to do a POV on my phone before, yeah? I swear down on my phone, all you could see was this. Yeah, that's literally how my phone one looked. So, this is a big game changer. I won't cap. I will not cap. Yo, people, sometimes you just gotta slap it in dynamic. Because petrol doesn't last forever. Petrol always burns. It's just up to you whether you burn it faster or slower. You know what I'm saying? Me, no van, I'm gonna choose to burn it a bit quicker. Why is there bare traffic here, man? Where's everyone going? Yeah, but the aim of today is just for me to test out this POV thing, man. See what he's saying. Like, so far I really like it. It makes life so much easier. You just mount something in your head and everyone can see what you see. That's can see I'm actually a law-abiding citizen today. I have a lot of people telling me all the time that, yo, I think even my mum said it to me the other day, like, stop driving fast. I said, Mum, I'm actually just following the speed limit. It just looks like I'm going fast. Like, man's not really going fast. You understand? Like, don't believe everything you see on the internet. You know what I mean? It's all a facade. It's all fake. The internet's what you want it to be. You know what I mean? On the internet, you see what you want to see. A man always sees this car wash. You understand? But nah, man. Let me just get a jet wash, bruv, and just shoot water at my car. That's what I'm on these days. Yo, I swear down, this is actually how it feels being on this road. I had to take you with me on this road. Like, whoa. Yo, everything's a flipping speed hump. Like, brother, what's the fault? People had trucks, fam. Not in a truck, man's in a 4-pipe thing you're talking about. You know what I mean? I got 4-wheel drive. It's not a 4x4. Yeah, friendship goals. Pulling up to the yard, 4x4s. Heavy goals. Thank you. Thank you, love. Oh, look. My pupils. Nah, it's only an A3 though. Can't show them love. Oh, fucking hell, mate. I should have just gone, man. But I'm lacking. I'm slacking and... Oh, brother, I should have just done it again. What am I playing at? Nah, I'm going after this one. I'm doing it now. I'm all in. I'm all in. I'm all in. Go on, man. Yeah, man, you can't be. No, you know what I hate the UK people? You see, in the UK, if you don't give yourself way, you're never gonna get way. Let me tell you that for free. See what I'm saying, man? And people just do it. Everyone's just on some neck shit, man. Yeah, this country's peak. Country's starting to come like... No, I keep saying the country, the city. This city's starting to become like London. This is ridiculous, man. What's going on? The camera on the GoPro is officially low. I'm definitely gonna do a POV, like, but yeah, you know, one of them ones. Yeah, I'm doing a serious POV. Yeah, this was really me just testing it. That's what the title's gonna be, because I have to test it before I use it properly, you understand? So yeah, the next video, yeah, long day.
Matthew put me on
2-6. On the M daily tryna get the cash. Speeding on a hold up, we don't crash.